Welcome to Home Remedies, where nature meets medicine. For today's episode, we will talk about natural remedies in preventing blood clots. The threat of blood clotting is severe. While it is important in scab formation after having wounds, these little obstructions, formed after platelets coagulate in the bloodstream, could endanger the lives of people. Restricted blood flow to the brain due to clotting causes stroke and severe injury, which could lead to death. Have it in your coronary artery can cause a heart attack or worse. Clots appearing at other parts of the body can either be mild or extremely severe. One cannot even fly comfortably with these things present. Blood thinners and anti-inflammatory medicine are one way to combat these clots. Unfortunately, its high costs for the typical consumer could set everything back and discourage everyone from buying. In today's world, people are also starting to look to alternative traditional medicine that uses none other than natural ingredients and materials derived from nature itself. Now, let us explore 5 natural and home remedies for blood clotting. Shall we start? If you like this informational video, please hit the like button below and the subscribe button for more videos regarding your health and easy home remedies. Most importantly, click the bell button for you to be updated on our latest uploads. Number 1. Flax and chia seeds. Chia seeds get some popularity nowadays due to it being identified as a superfood. In 2016, chia seeds have been searched 250,000 times monthly on average. Flax seeds have also been garnering the same attention, with it being consumed since antiquity due to its health effects. The effect of reducing clots comes from omega-3 fatty acids present in the seeds, which is the ability of thinning blood. They also have the additional benefits of suppressing cancer, reducing blood sugar, promoting digestive health, and inducing weight loss, with chia seeds having an increased benefit of strengthening bones due to calcium. However, people with thyroid problems and pregnant women must not consume these seeds in moderate to high amounts. Number 2. Garlic. Well, we have it in every dish we cook, and that oftentimes, we ignore its medicinal properties. But garlic seems to be a very versatile crop indeed. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that break down blood clots, improving blood circulation. It also has an additional effect of relaxing arteries, contributing to a lower blood pressure levels. For effective results, one must consume a raw clove a day. Aside from cardiovascular benefits, it could also help in treating peptic ulcers, boosting the immune system, and treating menstrual problems. 3. Beets may not be common in every portion of the world, but has proven itself as a root crop with promise in good health. Beets have nitrites, which when converted by the body into nitric oxide, dilates blood vessels, preventing clots from forming. Besides that, it fights cancer, boosts eye health and endurance, reduces the risk of having dementia, and fights constipation. However, it also causes gout and kidney stones, if eaten more than enough. If you have a question for us, please comment down below, and we will surely answer it for you. 4th. Turmeric. An Asian spice that sings up any food, turmeric is a powder that is one big astounding. It is loaded with many beneficial compounds and antioxidants. It has anticoagulant properties that prevents formation of clots. But that's not all. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that prevents the vessels from constricting. It is used for many other ailments and conditions like arthritis, peptic ulcers, and bronchitis, among others. Pregnant women, GERD sufferers, and people with gallstones or certain types of cancer must consume turmeric at prescribed levels. Number 5. Green tea. The famed green tea. Although some people appreciate it as the main component of matcha, as a base for your own sip of milk tea, or just sipping it on its own in a Japanese restaurant or with scones at a tiffin, there is a lot of good things about green tea than it meets the eye. Green tea has polyphenols, antioxidants that provides it the property of being an anticoagulant, preventing blood clot formation. Aside from this purpose, it increases mental alertness, promotes weight loss, prevents certain kinds of cancers, fight against HPV, normalize blood pressure, prevent osteoporosis and Parkinson's disease, and treat kidney stones. It must not be consumed by anemic people, pregnant women, and those with anxiety in amounts greater than 2 cups per day. Now you know the top 5 ingredients needed to prevent blood clotting. Tell us your favorite in the comments section below. And, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe and bell button below to always be updated from us. And don't forget to click the like button too.